In this video, I'll go over how to set up email notifications on a Synology NAS. With email notifications enabled, your Synology NAS will send a message to the email address or addresses that you specify when, for example, packages installed within DSM are out of date or a backup task failed to run at its scheduled time, giving you a heads up or warning that could potentially slip through the cracks otherwise. To set up email notifications, you'll need to go to Control Panel, then Notification, which will bring you to the Email tab. Here, you'll need to check the box to enable email notifications, which will enable the remaining fields. Next, enter in the email address or addresses of those that you'd like to send the notifications to. Note that you can enter in up to 10 email addresses separated by a semicolon. Subject prefix will be added to the subject of each message sent by the Synology NAS, so I'd recommend entering in something that will help you identify where the message is coming from. Under Sender, we'll need to select a service provider, and for this video, I'll cover using both Gmail and a custom SMTP server. I'll start off with Gmail, where I'll click on the Sign In button, which then brings me to this Sign In with Google webpage. I'll select the Gmail account I'd like to use and click Allow on this webpage, allowing Synology DSM notification to access my Gmail account. Next, I'll click on Agree on this webpage, confirming that the Synology NAS listed is the correct one I'd like to allow notifications from. At this point, notifications through Gmail should be set up, and I can confirm this by clicking on the Send a Test Email button, which brings up this pop-up window that confirms that an email has been sent, so I'll click OK. I can also confirm that I received the test email as well. Next, I'll configure a custom SMTP server as the service provider. Here I'm going to use the SMTP settings provided to me by the web host of my Digital Aloha Tech Tips domain, which is SiteGround. I'll leave a link to SiteGround's webpage if you'd like to learn more about them and the services they provide in the description below. Once I have everything entered, I'll click Apply and send another test email to confirm that the SMTP settings were correctly entered in. Everything looks to be set up fine, and I can confirm that I received the test email message once again. The next thing to do is look at the notification rules that can be set by going to the Rules tab. Here you'll see a few different listings, some of which are added depending on if the package associated with it was installed from the package center, like Active Backup for Business and Docker. You can expand each of these listings to display the various events and see what alert level has been assigned to the event. If you know what type of notification you would like to look at, you could enter in a keyword in the search field to filter the listings and events further. Also, if we did set up other notification options like SMS or push service endpoints, we could have adjusted where notifications get sent as well. If you would like to customize a notification message, you can click on the event listing, then click on the Edit Message button, make your changes, and click Save. Or restore a message back to its default by clicking on the Restore Default button and select Yes from this confirmation pop-up window if you already customized a notification message. And really, that is it with setting up email notifications. In the Synology NASs that I manage, I find that turning on email notifications and leaving the rules as default works well, and then I fine-tune notifications as needed. I also like combining Synology's built-in notifications with an external monitoring and alerting service from HealthChecks.io, which you can learn more about by clicking on this video listed here on screen. Lastly, consider liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and supporting my work by checking out the Support This Channel section in the description below. Thanks so much for watching.